Hello guys, today let's talk about how do you prepare an emergency fund? How do you build one if you don't have it? Emergency fund is mandatory at today's time because a lot of people they have savings, they save a portion of money, maybe $100, $500, $50. They do save, but that's not enough when it comes to a job loss or salary deduction or change of job and you need to find a new job. For long term, you need an emergency fund. If you live in your home country, I believe 6 months of emergency fund will be enough. But if you are a foreigner living in another country like GCC, I think you need at least 1 year of funds to sustain yourself in case you lose your job or there is a 25% salary deduction. How do you make an emergency fund at today's time? First of all, you need to make a plan about what is your expenses exactly. Note it down: your rent, your fuel, your utility bills, your loans if you have any, your kids' education, groceries, any other items you are spending on. First you note it down, and then on the second you need to see how much is your salary and what is the expense. When you minus it, you get an amount. From there you divide it into two portions. Let's say 10,000 is your salary. You see that there is 80% of your expenses gone, you have 20%. Now 10% you save it, 10% will go to emergency fund, and whatever happens, you don't leave both of these funds, because savings is easy for some people, but they do it in the wrong way. They save money like, I spend all the amount what was required, weeks finish, we are at the end of the month, now $100 remain, okay, that's it, I saved that money. That is good, but that's not a disciplined amount. You need to save a percentage, a fixed percentage. Imagine that it's a rent you need to pay. Same goes for savings. You take a fixed percentage and deposit or separate it on another account, which account you won't be using, you won't be withdrawing any amount from it unless there is a certain emergency. When it comes to emergency fund, this one will support you during your job loss, or you have resigned from your job, or there is job loss. This will help you on that time when you need to have funds to cover all your needs and you don't have an income. So 1 year is a good amount to survive, so you can easily take another job or look for another job while you can maintain all your expenses without stress. Especially at current scenario, there could be deductions, there could be job losses, so you need to build an emergency fund as soon as possible. Usually if someone is younger, in the early 20s or 30s, it's easier because you have lesser responsibilities. But some, they spend a lot on wants, and they do save money, but they don't have such funds. This also can be called a dignity fund, because this can save you from a lot of hassles. If you lose your job and you have little bit of savings and you don't have an emergency fund, you need to go to your friends or family to ask for big expenses. Maybe a rent check needs to be deposited. So I believe you can always try and save at least 10%, bring your family in, or try to cut more expenses so that you can raise your emergency fund by 1% every month or every 6 months by 5%. um, at the end, I think uh, saving money is good, but having such funds are a different blessing, because you don't need to go and ask anyone for any money when a scenario as such arises. So do comment and let me know how do you plan to build an emergency fund. Good day.